I want Mountain Dew.
He's stealing his. Oh. He's stealing his chips.
What are you doing, Isaac? Isaac, seriously, dude. Isaac, seriously, man. Like, that's my stuff, dude. Like, I know how you treat. I know how you treat Jesse's family.
What fell out of there? Yeah, that's gone.
Isaac, seriously, man. You gotta leave these people alone, dude. These are fans of Jesse's, Isaac. These guys want to see Jesse, dude.
Isaac and Jesse are a lot shorter than I thought. I thought he was tall.
Isaac, listen. I mean, all these guys are fans of Jesse. They don't want to talk to you. They want to talk to Jesse. I don't care. I'll tell you what, man. Listen, you ever been to Vidcon before? Is this your first Vidcon? Alright, listen, man.
Last time.
Come on. You haven't been to any of the parties.
Dude, all these people trying to get me this address.
Dude, listen to me. If you let us talk to Jesse for a little while.
I've been trying to talk to him. You can talk to me.
I know, man.
Hypnotize him.
I know he's in there. I put him in there.
Get him, man. Find him. Listen, I will take you to the VidCon wrap-up party. Okay? Whatever it is you want, they got it.
You're rolling up with him.
He needs a therapist, a hypnotist.
You're obnoxious, man. You're obnoxious, man. You ruined his career. You know that, right? Yeah. You ruined his series. You know that, right?
Is that Jake Paul?
I will tell you, I like the haircut.
Is that Jake Paul?
Kind of like a David Duchovny.
It's every day, bro.
I honestly don't think I like it. You know me and Jesse.
We got prom tonight. Yes, there's a creator party on the second floor
But
too.
here's the thing, man. Like,
You want to go there?
well, here's the thing, man.
I mean, we're missing a piece of my stat thing, but whatever. Oh yeah, no, that's okay. I'd rather be here. Sleep.
Yeah, you want some chips? You can have all the chips.
Yeah, he just put the gum in there. That's nasty.
I'm gonna have to go buy him some more chips. I'll go buy him some more chips, really.
They're really good chips.
Yeah, really.
Pick some up down there.
I like the kettle chips, the crispy.
Does Jesse want chips? Jesse hungry?
He just put his gum in there.
Hey, just leaving.
Good to see you guys again.
I wish we had a mirror right about now.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the douchiest of them all?
You about to go in that mirror. I wonder what the other version of you look like. Not one of those, buddy. Neither do I.
I don't have a mirror, but these are my pants, so maybe you can see yourself in them.
You wash those with Windex?
No, I don't fuck Boogie either, but like I would fuck you.
Oh. I don't think we can, Bill.
Yeah, like we hugged and our belly buttons created a suction.
Dude,
It was weird. It was felt good.
Best orgasm I've had in 10 years.
really? Wow.
You didn't hear that.
I don't. Trying to get a scene here.
And that was so good, that was cool. Yeah, like, that's part of my vlog.
Jesse's back
Yeah,
now.
you?
Oh, yeah.
Well, hell
That's why I
yeah.
decided to stay here. So are we looking at once you're out, or?
No, it turns out there's actually a creator party at 6, so I was mistaken.
Oh, so there was a little truth to what you were saying.
Well, like normally they do shows out at like right at 5 and then like reload everybody, but this year I guess they're not going to do that. You just go to the creator party like an
Yeah.
So weird.
They might clear this floor.
Yeah.
We'll just go over right now.
Okay.
Alright,
All right, well, I'll tell you what, man. Anybody want quick photos or anything like that? But after that, we need to shoot a little bit, man. So it's all right. We let you clear the area. Is that okay?
that sounds
All right. So anybody want a quick photo or anything like that? We can do it quick.
Okay.
Let's do it. Ready?
just let me know if you want me in it. I'll just stand over.
Yeah.